Alright, this is 817 Tactical coming to you with an update on the Aimaculate Folding stock. So let's turn this over here. So let's see here, you push that button there. It folds. Okay. And it stays. So part of the feedback I was getting was that this was not locking, okay? Which I noticed that too when I first put it together. But when I put my bolt carrier group in and I put it all in place, it tightened up here. It did wiggle, but I tightened it up, and it does not wiggle like it did before. There's a little bit of play there. Not really much. But see where it wiggles there? It's not really that bad. I mean, it's on the brace, so it's not like I'm shouldering it or anything. I don't think that's going to affect my shooting. Now, I have not shot it since I put it on. So we'll see how that works. Somebody told me that when you shoot it, it'll malfunction. Well, we'll see how that goes. I don't see how that's going to happen because it does lock into place really nicely. You see that? And then it's one-handed operation. I can close it up. So that's pretty nice. Anyway, I'm sorry it wasn't what you were going to expect. On one of the comments that I got, I was really kind of interested in your comments about the malfunctions, but I have not experienced that yet. So far, it locks in really. Maybe you just got a defaulty one, and I would send it back. This is my 5.56 AR-15 pistol. It does have a brace. I did the paint job myself. This is my sling, 2-point sling, and it turned out really well. Nice little paint job there. And this is my Black Ops. I guess it's a 3-pound trigger pull. So pretty nice. I will be painting the end here to match the rifle or the pistol. So anyway, let me know what you think, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe or share. I'd appreciate any likes I can get and any subscribers. Thank you, and 817 out.